How to add table in your Canva presentation. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about. So guys, let's start with the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so here I'm going to show you the three way then you can use and you can add your table as per your requirement. So let's start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Canva. So let me take quickly over a presentation page. So okay, I take this one. Okay, so as I told you, there is a three way. So first method, you can simply add, if you want to add the table from Canva design, then you can go to the element table, search for table here. Okay, you can go to the table, see all, you can see the all design. Okay, if you're using the pro version of Canva, then you may have the more design. Just select that design, any design. Now you can see you can add the table. You can also write that text into that table, whatever you want. Okay, you can also edit from here. Go to the edit. You can see the lots of option, or okay, you can add rows, column, whatever you want. So this is the first method. So second method is, you can simply, if you want to add the table from your Excel or Microsoft Word file, you can add, open your Microsoft Word or Excel file. Okay, so I have the Excel file here, so I just select that table like this. You have to just click by your mouse button, hold it, drag it, and select the all table. Right click on it, copy it, come to the Canva. After come to the Canva page, right click on that page and paste it. Okay, so here you can see this table has been insert here without any the style, like the table color and font like we have here. Okay, so this method useful when you if you want to directly copy paste table from Excel or Word file here. Okay, here also you can add column and delete the column, rows, whatever you want. The next method or way, you can see, you can come to the upload. Okay, and upload the Word file or Excel from here. Just go to the upload. Okay, select your file, Word file or Excel file, upload here. After upload, the Excel file or Word file will be see like this. Okay, oh, let me go again. Okay, the file will be look like this. Now go to the three dot option. You can see your file name here. Okay, go to the three dot option, go to the open in new tab. So your file will be open in new tab. So you can see this is the all Excel sheet. Okay, you can simply copy this table from here, come to the original design and paste here. Now you can see there is a different. Now this table copy with their original style, font style, or with color. Okay, so it will be helpful if you want to copy paste all table style or design. Okay, and if you want to make this all Excel sheet as a page, or if you have huge data in table in Excel sheet, particular Excel sheet, so you need to upload the Excel sheet first, as I told you, and then open it, new tab. Now if you have more tables or data in Excel one sheet, then you can make this sheet as a page in your original documents. What you need to do, just go to the page. Now you can see your whole sheet page. Just click on this three dot option, copy it, come to the presentation. You can simply paste here by Ctrl+V, or you can simply paste like this. You can see this is a new page we have. This is original page and original design, and we have only one page here. So you can see this is my page. Okay, and this is second page as a sheet. You can see we have all sheet on this page. So you can put this page anywhere. You can move also. Okay, like this. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.